allegiance to Pakistan.
I will bear true faith and allegiance to Pakistan.
That as the Governor of Province of Balochistan,
as the Governor of Balochistan, of Province of Balochistan,
I will discharge my duties
I will discharge my duties
and perform my functions honestly, to the best of my ability, faithfully, in accordance with the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the law.
In accordance with the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the law.
And always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of Pakistan. Then I will strive to preserve the Islamic ideology, which is the basis for the creation of Pakistan. That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions. That I will preserve, protect and defend the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. That in all circumstances I will do right to all manners of people according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will. And I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as acting Governor of the Province of Balochistan, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as acting Governor. May Allah Almighty help and guide me. Ameen.
Amen. Thank you.